Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at CNX Midstream Partners LP, traded on New York Stock Exchange, ticker name CNXM. It's an interesting stock because it was declining last 2 weeks, but now seems like it's slowly entering the reversal zone. So for those patient and capable to look at the chart analysis, you can find some interesting buy and sell opportunities here. So to understand those, let's have a look to general stats for the stock. First of all, we need to notice here that there are 3 lines depicted, colored red, blue and green, being moving averages 200, 50 and 20 correspondingly, and their legend is given here on the left side so that you can understand when I will be mentioning those what are we talking about. So coming back to analysis, the stock has experienced its top of the previous uptrend at around 8 June, so here, and then it was retested at about 15 of June, and then this formed us a very strong and quite expectable actually resist line here. So that was doubled 2 times confirmed. And after that, the downtrend has started, and the downtrend started and is actually continuing already like second week. So now the question is, what will happen next? Is it good to buy? And if yes, then when? So we also need to say that yes, it's entering more and more in the kind of a buy zone, because after finishing its upwards trend in the June of 8, we also were at the maximum at RSI. And now it's constantly going down, so bringing the stock to oversold situation and making it more and more pressure up. If we now look at divergence convergence index and MACD, we can also see that after having the top maximum at 8th of June, we saw here the classical wave maximum, and then we were coming down. We crossed the 0 line, and then seems like the wave is going to come back, but most probably there will be a second wave. Both cases are quite bullish, so they create also positive upwards expectation. So another positive thing here is that the moving average 200 also can work as a strong resist, but it's very high. So this worked as strong resist at about 27th of April. It's quite high in comparison with the current price, so it's almost like up to 80-90%, you can say, and also it's quite steady. So although it's declining, but it's quite steady, and this steadiness is quite kind of linear, so you can't expect here any hard movements. So now if we look also at the last 2 chart candles combinations, they are not really completely reversive, because it's a long candle, long red candle like this. So this was the previous day, and today we see something like almost a doji, but not really. It's a candle with a little bit higher upward top shadow than the bottom one, meaning that actually it started lower, and overall, although bulls tried to push it up, it's still they lost the battle, both by dynamics from shadows, but also in general from overall price. And also, if you see the volumes here, they're quite low. If you compare the beginning of the trend, they were higher here, so they're quite low, meaning it's a relative low floater for the moment, meaning that the price can be pushed even further. So you would expect it to continue the trend downwards, although because it's already like almost more than 10 days or 10 days downwards, you can see like some white candles here, like a psychological daily reversal. So bulls will decide, okay, maybe today we should win, and then you can observe here some white candles forming. But overall, it's still a little bit bearish, but not forever, not for always. So the first buying option will be here quite soon. This will be this box, so it will start from this one. This will work, actually it's quite strong support. You can even say the first buying box start a little bit earlier, so at 6 And then the second, of course, will be this. It's quite deep, but still might be happening. So this will make for us two buying boxes. Actually, no, sorry. Box number 1 is here. And if any, box number 2, but I don't even think we will go ever to this level. So this will be buy area and super strong buy area. If we go to buy area, still there is a kind of mini line, you can say, like a hesitance line, not really resisted. It will be somewhere here. So I would say mind your money if when we go to this level of the box 1. So at least keep some funds to average down, because you can be more positive on your expectations when you go closer to the bottom of box 1 than at the top of box 1. So if you want to buy the top of box 1, it's okay, but then keep some funds for possible average down. So after price going here, either at box 1 or 2, we should observe some reversal. And then, of course, the question is when to sell. Yeah, the first opportunity to sell will be actually at this level at about 7. Because also you need to understand that moving averages 220 and 50 are kind of dancing around each other, so probably it will be something like that, and the moving average 20 will do another dip like it did before. So it's like the trend of moving averages, you can say, although it's not always correct to say so, but overall kind of a trend you can see. And actually exactly as I just depicted here, once the price will be touching that level, it can be some volatility, so bears might try to push it further down temporarily, and then it will depend on the chart situation. So this would be then the first resist line, where you can think either you want to stay in the position hoping to pierce through these double dancing, double moving averages and go to this level, the previous let's say end of the trend resist line 2, or you will decide to sell here. It's up to you. I would sell at R1, but some people are more risky, so they can continue further. So that's it for the CNXM. I also would like to draw your attention on the fact that we have a mobile application, free mobile application. For now, it is working only for Android devices, but later we will extend it to iOS devices as well. It's a free mobile application. You can find it on Google Store. Just downloaded it. It has a list of 16 stocks with entry points that we usually discussed on our channel. So if you want to have like a list always with you in your pocket to check quickly, you can always see it on that tool. Just watch a free video, and then the list will be uploaded every day. There is a new update, so you can always update it. And the list is updated from top to bottom. So on the top, you will always see the new entry tickers, and at the bottom ones, the lowest one will disappear. So this way you always have the list with you. And when you want to see the detailed explanation, of course, please come back to our channel, and then we will have something like we did today. So that's what it is, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please check our mobile application. Thank you for watching.